Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 218i M Sport Coupe in mineral grey. So alongside the mineral grey exterior colour, you'll see the vehicle features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and thanks to the vehicle being a 2018 18 plate, it is a Facelift 2 series, and I'll point out the facelifted items as we make our way around the car. First part of the facelift is the facelifted LED headlamps. We've had the 18-inch M Sport alloys fully refurbished in the gloss black. Also down the side of the car, as being able to see, it's a very clean and tidy example. You'll see the satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. The interior for this 2 series is again one of my personal favourites between the 1 and 2 series. It has the M Highlight Alcantara and cloth seats. As you can see there, you get the lovely M 3 stripes and blue stitching throughout. It's a 6-speed manual, and we shall touch on more of the interior details shortly. Isofix 2x2 seats in the rear, central storage tray, and again, of course, you do get a darkened M Sport headlining. Round onto the rear of the car, again showing you off those freshly refurbished alloys. And again, another touch for this facelift was these LED rear lights, which do give a real aggressive look to the rear of the 2 series. Satin rear spoiler and a matching diffuser, and if you've not yet seen the boot space for the 2 series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised, as that is a very nice size area. Alongside, you do get split folding seats, so of course that will help if you do have a larger, longer item. Around at the other side, again, that mineral grey working very nicely with all of the additions we've made, again being nicely presented around onto the driver's side. Moving forward through to the interior, again I'm going to go ahead to take a seat inside and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Again, a nice item for the facelift was the facelifted BMW business navigation and media screen. We also get this very nice backlit LED display, which looks really nice. You can see there this vehicle's covered just over 45,000 miles. On the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, we've just got the speed limiter function on this car, along with voice and volume controls. Going over and taking a look at some of the features of the screen, we've got a really intelligent Satnav system which utilises real-time traffic updates. We've got Bluetooth for both telephone and audio. Alongside that, we've got a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including DAB, USB, and of course the Bluetooth input. Back at the main menu, another great way of keeping you connected when you are out and about is it also comes with Connected Drive Plus. This gives you access to all 3 of the online search, news, weather apps, which are all powered via Google, and that utilises the car's own onboard 4G network, so it doesn't use any of your own personal data. Again, back at the home screen, we'll go ahead, check out the vehicle service status and service requirements. The next service for the vehicle is not due for 12,000 miles time. Again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos, and on this car, obviously being a 218i M Sport, of which we have a very nice diverse range of 2 series here at Your Next Car. And of course, if you do want to check out more of our vehicles, there is always a link down in the description. Or of course, if you do want to get in touch with us here about this lovely 218i, please don't forget, again, all of the contact information is down below in the description. Thanks once more, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care, and bye-bye.